Okay. Oh, that's too big. All right. Hello, my loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy. For those who don't know me and those who are returning, thank you so much for your support. So in today's video, as you can see, we're in the vehicle. We're going to do this a little different. I decided that I was going to do a quick unboxing and first impression of this bag because as I was exiting the house, they delivered a bag that I had purchased and I have forgotten about. Something like that. And so I said, you know what? Let me just take her with me. I got to run some errands. So I might as well just unbox it for you really, really quick right here. Just first impressions. So what I think about it and whatnot. Nothing of what fits in it or anything. Only because I don't want to take too long because I'm literally in the Target parking lot. So I wanted to unbox this. The box arrived, as I said, as I was leaving the house. This is a huge box. This order is from Vera Bradley. I don't know if you all saw my video that I had unboxed a Hathaway tote from Vera Bradley, and I had unboxed that one and I literally returned it because I had a little bit of thoughts, but let me unpack as I go. And this one right here is called the Slouchy Shoulder Bag, and a essential coin purse that I got as well with that. Let me do the coin purse real quick because this is so much easier to unbox this one. But like I was saying, I had bought the Hathaway, and I'll put the video, I'll put some clips right here of me with her. This is the coin purse, a round coin purse, and I had unboxed her and I really loved her. I love the quality of the leather, how malleable and how soft it is. But I returned it because I have my I know I have a 3 or 4 Neverfulls, and it was so comparable to that. Although it was leather, it was very compatible in size. And I rotate my Neverfulls all the time. And I was like, I don't think I'm going to get use of this. This one has the little tag right there, as you can see. But I was like, you know what? Let me just return it. I'm not going to keep bags that I'm not going to use. I'm hoping, and this one is totally different style, color, and everything of my, my ways of purchasing. But I figured I wanted to try this one because it is way smaller. This is so cute. Look at this. It's a cute little coin pouch. So cute. It's literally a coin pouch. Oh, look at the color. Ooh, I think I know who will love this as a gift. I might be changing my mind and not keeping this, giving it to somebody special. Hopefully she don't see this video and I'm able to gift her this maybe. Who knows? I'm always buying little trinkets and little things, But yeah, that's the coin purse. And that's that. So cute. It's supposed to be faux leather. So it's very good quality. And I know that Vera Bradley items are very durable. So let's see what I do with this one. But what I'm interested in seeing is the leather on this bag right here. Even the shape is different from what I usually pick. And again, this is me trying out. The good thing about this is that we don't like it, we return it. And that's why I'm not going to totally unpack the whole thing until I'm certain that I'm going to keep this. And again, I have so many birthdays coming up and so many things that maybe I'll keep it and gift it forward. I hate taking out the tissue. Why do they do tissue? But let's do this as fast as possible. Slide her out. I know there's people all around me. They must be like, what is she doing? But anyways, sorry about all the noises with the tissue. All right, ready? Ready, Freddy? Ooh. This is a cognac color. OMG, this color. I don't know, I like this color a lot. It's a shoulder bag. Oh, it's very comfortable and it's fluffed up with all the fillings, but it feels, whoa, that zipper, like butter. Ooh, look at the inside of this. You're not ready. Look at this. That print. Wow. This is like spacious. The strap is not adjustable and you can slouch it like this. She is cute. I don't know. It's not me. But she cute. She's super cute. But I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe I'll gift it to someone special. What do you all think? This is the faux leather bag and it's on sale right now. It's available. She's cute. She's $179 and there's the name, the SKU, and all the things if you're interested in her. She smells delicious, but I love this rich cognac color. But the style, I think she's east-west style, but I think she's a little way too long for me, in my opinion, only because my chest is very wide and I know she'll fall perfect right there, but it'll make me look wider. I know it might not make sense to you, but I know exactly what I'm saying. So don't know if I'm gonna keep this or if I'm gonna gift it forward to someone special. Might do that. Got it on super clearance. They have a big clearance right now, and I got her very inexpensive. Everything will be linked down below if you're interested, but don't know about it, not sure. But anyways, I just wanted to do this quick unboxing because I got excited, overexcited, and in my tone of my voice and everything, you all know, I'm sorry, lady, that I'm recording you, but with the tone of my voice and everything, you all know I'm not into her as I thought I would be, but that's okay. You know, this company is good with returns. When I returned the other one, it was great and very easy. They send you a label and all. And so I'll return her and try another one or not. But yes, so yes, I wanted to unbox this really quick, being and that I was leaving the house and the bag was right there at my door front. Bag of the day, my Speedy Nano. If you have not seen the video, I'll link it somewhere right here. Speedy Nano, brand new to my collection. In love, madly in love, my weekend bag. It's spring break and this is all I've been taking with me. So yes, my love, thank you so much if you stood until the end of this video, and if you watched and you found it fun, entertaining in any way, then don't forget to share and subscribe and come back for some more goodness, bags, and all the chit chats and the crazy me. Thank you, my loves. May God bless you and keep you, and until next time, ciao.